There is no way you can tell me that you do not have this product in your shelf. This is the most versatile product. Vaseline is that girl for you that every lady should have on her shelf, because there are a lot of things you can use this product to do to your advantage. I'm going to share with you guys 10 things in which you can do with Vaseline, 10 hacks in which you can do with this Vaseline. The first thing is that you can use Vaseline as an aftershave to help to minimize reaction, irritation, and bumps. Secondly, you can use your Vaseline to make your perfume last longer. After spraying your perfume on your pulse point, you take your Vaseline and apply on it, your hands, your neck, to make your perfume last longer and to make you smell nice all day. Thirdly, Vaseline can be used to treat stretch marks. You have stretch mark on your boobs, you can take your Vaseline and you massage it directly to that area. So Vaseline can be used to treat stretch mark, and also Vaseline can also be used alongside with retinol. You apply Vaseline on the sensitive areas so that your skin will not be easily irritated before you apply your retinol. And you guys know this to combo, of course. Vaseline is used to also cure stretch mark. This is what many ladies know. So if you have a stretch mark on your arm, on your thighs, you apply Vaseline and retinol on that area, and you're going to see significant changes. Another thing we can use Vaseline to do is we can use Vaseline to slug our skin. Slugging your skin actually means locking in all your actives in which you have applied in your face earlier. So it makes them get absorbed easily and make you see results faster. So I slug my skin twice a week, and then I've seen significant changes on my skin. So Vaseline actually gives the glass glowing skin. Do you know that once you mix sugar, Vaseline, mix it together, you already just made yourself a body scrub. So Vaseline can be used to make body scrub to actually exfoliate the dead skin areas of your body, especially your knees and elbows. Effectively exfoliate dead skin areas of your skin to help to fade off dark. So Vaseline can also be used as a lip scrub when you add sugar and honey. So use it to effectively scrub the lips. Wrap it up. It can also be used as lip balm, and it also helps chapped lip. If you know your lips is very dry during the harmattan, during the cold weather, we use Vaseline to protect and moisturize our lips. You can also use your Vaseline as an eyebrow gel to help to keep your Vaseline on your eyelashes. It helps to straighten them and keep them in place. You can also use the Vaseline to wipe up makeup off your face by using Vaseline and makeup off your face. You can also use Vaseline as a hand cream. Yes, helps to keep and doesn't make your hand dry, helps to make your hand moist. You can use Vaseline on your legs and your heels to help to prevent crack foot and heels. Yes, you can also use your Vaseline to shine your shoe. Can you see how it looks like?